How vast is our universe? What lies at the edge of everything? This video will reveal the answer. We're about to embark on an epic journey. From Earth to the outer reaches of our solar system, then beyond to our galaxy, through massive and finally to the edge of the universe, revealing the ultimate mystery of cosmic boundaries. Our first stop is the Moon. Also called Luna. Way back in 1969, Apollo astronaut Neil Armstrong left humanity's first footprint on the lunar surface. Next, we arrive at Venus. Venus has an atmosphere that's 96% carbon dioxide, creating an extreme greenhouse effect, with surface temperatures reaching a terrifying 462 degrees Celsius. Sometimes at night, looking southwest, you'll see an incredibly bright star. That's almost certainly Venus. Mercury is the smallest of the 8 planets, and the closest to our Sun. The Sun blazes like a fireball, radiating light and heat, because nuclear fusion reactions rage constantly inside. However, nuclear fuel will eventually run out, and the Sun will meet its end. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. The average Earth-Sun distance is called 1 astronomical unit, roughly 150 million kilometers. At this distance, sunlight takes 8 minutes to travel before reaching Earth's surface. Mars is a desert world, covered with hills and ancient riverbeds. But Mars sits in the habitable zone, with conditions similar to Earth. Therefore, it's become a major research target for many nations. Beyond the asteroid belt lies Jupiter. Jupiter is a massive gas giant with no solid surface. This oval-shaped great red spot is a massive anticyclone storm, so large it could fit 2 or 3 Earths inside. Then comes Saturn. See those countless tiny ice chunks? Those are the building blocks of Saturn's rings. In July 2013, the Cassini spacecraft exploring Saturn captured this stunning photo of Saturn and Earth together. That tiny blue dot is our home planet. Finally, at the solar system's edge, are Uranus and Neptune. These twin ice giant planets both contain methane in their atmospheres, giving them their distinctive blue-green colors, creating their unique appearance. These 8 planets orbit the Sun, forming our solar system. As we continue toward the cosmic edge, our entire solar system becomes just a tiny speck of light. Each minuscule point of light here is a star like our Sun. Each star has planets orbiting around it. Looking even further out, we find over 200 billion stars, each shining with brilliant light, together forming the mighty Milky Way. The Milky Way is a massive stellar system, stretching roughly 100,000 light-years across. Earth sits in the outer regions. When night falls, that milky band stretching across the sky is actually part of our galaxy's spiral arm. Continuing outward 2.5 million light-years, we reach the Andromeda Galaxy, the closest major galaxy to the Milky Way, containing 1 trillion stars within. But even so, massive Andromeda and our Milky Way are just part of the local group. About 50 galaxies form this small cluster that we call our local group. Looking even further, Our local group is just a tiny part of the Virgo supercluster. Here, 100 galaxy clusters form an even larger structure. Each bright point represents a massive galaxy, including our Milky Way, which is just another dot. But even this, compared to the vast cosmic web, the Virgo supercluster is just the tip of the iceberg. Now we accelerate toward the universe's edge, seeing galaxies everywhere we look. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. So the total number of stars in the universe might exceed all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Because of vast distances and light's finite speed, the sunlight you see is 8 minutes old. The Andromeda galaxy you observe is over 2.5 million years old. So, if we look far enough into space, could we see the universe's very beginning? Before reaching the edge through these galaxies, we witness galaxy formation and the birth of the first massive stars. What follows is the oldest light in the universe. Now, we're about to reach our journey's final destination. What exactly is the edge of the universe? The answer is right before us. A point of infinite density, infinitely small volume, infinite temperature, and infinite space-time curvature. This is the universe's edge. 13.8 billion years ago, before the universe was born. In 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges first proposed the Big Bang theory, the most influential theory in modern cosmology. When this point underwent a massive explosion, time and space were born, along with light and the universe itself. The fragments from this explosion created everything we see in the universe today. Light from the Big Bang still travels through space, captured by the European Space Agency's Planck telescope, and recorded in detail. This is the cosmic microwave background, the strongest evidence that the universe experienced a Big Bang, having reached the universe's true edge. We realize Earth's incredible smallness and the universe's infinite vastness. Honestly, even if Earth suddenly disappeared, it wouldn't affect the universe in the slightest. So if that's the case, ultimately, why do each of us exist? In this vast cosmic ocean,